次次識出呢個嘢，
好煩啊 ！Okay, 2, 3, 5 again. 即係點啊？真係唉，點解唔可以整簡單啲嘅？好難明啊！On the rear, adjacent to the press and hold. Let's see, to program the remote control. Point garage door remote control 5 towards button 2 to 5 on the rear view mirror at a distance of 2 to 8 inches.
不如你索性睇德文嗰個，可能仲明得。可能今年嗰個又有啲新 trick 嚇。
冇啊，年年應該一樣喎。
If you're programming the vehicle's integrated remote for the first time, press the two outside buttons at the same time and hold until the indicator lamp turns green. This can take up to 30 seconds.
嚇？錄咩錄啊？
If you had programmed your vehicle with another garage door opener, you can skip this step. Now, on the integrated remote, press the button you would like to program. Hold the button for 2 seconds and let go. The indicator lamp flashes yellow.
邊有 flash 啫？
Within 5 to 12
妖呢個唔 work 啦，呢個 video。咁點樣 program 個 remote 啊？唉，點會洗咗個 remote 㗎？跟住整完呢啲其他啲車冚唪唥唔 work 咁點啊？嚇！咁而家係咪你嘅車又唔 work 啦？
好驚喎！好煩啊！你去唔整啦？你叫我撳我先。
我唔知個 procedure， 你叫我撳我先撳啦。仲 work 喎？仲 work 喎？